So how to download R? Just do Google search and you should be finding some links to our project. And it should start downloading. Click yes if required. Then proceed with all the guidelines except the conditions. So that's how your R starts. Once your R is downloaded, you can download the R Studio in a similar fashion. And once you have both, you can just search for R Studio. And that's how we can work with R Studio as well as R. Remember, those are linked to each other. So to work even on the R Studio, you have to have the R installed. So first install R and then R Studio, and then it should work perfectly fine. So thank you. That's a short videos on installing R on the Windows platform.